Hello, I'm in a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how you would jumpstart your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the passenger side, you should see this cover here. This would be your positive here that you'll connect to. And then up here, this would be where you connect your neutral negative to. But with your clamps, you would just connect directly to this metal for your positive feed, and then your negative neutral directly to this. And then whether you're using a jump box or you have jumper cables running to another vehicle, make sure you've got your positive running directly to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative directly to the other negative. So if these get crisscrossed even for a few seconds, this can sometimes cause significant damage to your computers, fuses, things like that. But once you've tried that for a few minutes, hopefully this gets your vehicle started. If you're having issues with that still, the actual battery to this vehicle is located under the front passenger seat, which you can access through here. And you can see the batteries right there, so you can access your positive terminal directly here and your negative further back if you need to as well. And worst case, if you have to replace this battery, you'll just need to move the seat back, disconnect all these things, and then pull your old battery out, slide your new battery in, and reconnect everything nice and tight. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.